the secret of the tastiest sweet popcorn in the world. To start this recipe, I will put 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. I will also add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and finally a cup of popcorn. Do it at your house and come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure everyone will love it. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Loretta Cricci from Italy. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I do it myself often in my house. I'm sure it will get into your routine too. I will continue stirring all the ingredients with the help of a spatula. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you this recipe. After I learned how to do so, I never ate popcorn otherwise. It's really amazing how good it gets after it's done. It is much better than those sold in cinemas or in conventional markets. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to make it so amazing. This is the best sweet popcorn I've ever learned to make in my life. I'll cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. Look how beautiful she looks, and the taste is even better. Whenever I do in my house, there's never anything left. It's really very difficult to eat just one piece. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. I will transfer it into small containers, because that's how I like to serve in my house, but you can eat the way you prefer. It's perfect to share with that special person for you while you share a good movie or a series. Tell me your favorite recipe for sweet popcorn, I'd love to know. This entered my list of favorites the first time I tried it. I'm sure it will enter yours. Using a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make an incredible recipe. To give a special touch, I will sprinkle a little milk powder over everything. You can also use chocolate or another side dish of your choice. You will never have to pay for those movie popcorn. Instead, make this recipe super easy, fast, and simple. You will not regret to try it in your home. Has no reason not to. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.